Hey everyone, it's AJ with Muscle Car Central, and we are coming to you back with another episode of Fresh Part Friday. All right guys, let's be honest. Rebuilding a transmission sucks, and it's absolutely the worst, and the worst thing is having to do it twice. But when you get this specific kit, that ain't gonna happen. These are premium quality, no China-made stuff. I mean, these are the deal. These things are cooler than a polar bear's fingernails, if you know what I'm saying. We've got 4 master transmission rebuild kits that are really sweet. The first one is a TRA 184, and that is for your 66 to 70 Muncie M20, M21, and M22s. They are sick. They've got the 27 spline shafts, 1-inch diameter countershaft pins. It fits main case castings. I mean, it's deluxe. Everything you want is in these kits. The second one is a TRA 185. And that is your 71 to 74 Muncie M20, M21, and M22s. They've got the 32 spline shaft, 1-inch diameter shaft counter pins, and like I said, they're all quality, premium, no Chinese junk. The next one is a TRA 186, and that is your 64 to 65. It's the Early Muncie M20 and M21s. They also have a 27 spline shaft and a 7/8 inch diameter countershaft pin. Now your fourth one is a TRA 187, and that is the 74 to 81 Borg Warner T10 and Super 10 transmission rebuild kit. It's got the 26 spline input shaft and 32 spline main shaft. You're getting your money's worth when you purchase these things. It ain't a penny wasted. I mean, look at the pictures, look at all the sick stuff that you get with it. You can just look at it, feel it. The quality on these things are absolutely amazing, and it'll make it less of a headache for you to have to do the job that you have to do. So like I said, pick you up one of these. It's a no-brainer. Also, scroll down below and tap the link, and it'll take you right to these guys on the website so you can get you one of these sick rebuild kits. I'm not BSing you guys. We want your best interest at heart whenever you buy something from us, because we keep our word. These things are the deal. If you have any kind of questions or feedback, well, we like feedback, so you guys let us know in the comments if you have any questions, anything like that. Our team here at the shop will be more than happy to answer any questions that we can give you and answer, you know, that sort of thing. New products, if you go on our website and scroll down and you see the big old box with the flames and it says fresh new products, you click that sucker and it'll show all of our new parts on our website. Same goes for Firebird and the Muscle Car website, so check them out. Get these things while they're hot. We appreciate y'all, and we'll see you on the next one.